Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to install the SureCall N-Range in your vehicle. With its simplified design, the N-Range can be installed in 60 seconds. Because of this, it's easy to transfer between vehicles and simple to store in your glove box when you're not using it. We'll be installing this in a truck, but the process is going to be the same whether you're installing this in a car, truck, SUV, minivan, or pretty much any other vehicle. So to start off, we're going to install the N-Range antenna. It has 5 powerful magnets on the bottom here that will attach it to any metal surface and keep it really secure. Now, if your truck has a non-magnetic body like aluminum or fiberglass, you can use the adhesive patch. Just peel back the backing, stick it on, and it'll adhere to any truck. Stick it on the truck where you think you want it, and then run the cable through over into the door. Next, place the magnetic foam mat antenna on any vent using the adjustable vent clip. You can also stow the antenna in a cup holder, center console, or anywhere else for that matter. Just make sure you keep it out of your hands while you're driving. Run the N-Range antenna cable into the vehicle through a door. Run the 2 cables towards each other and connect the 2 together. We suggest running these under the seats and floor mats to hide the cables. Plug in the power adapter and attach the power cable to the phone mount antenna. Switch on the power adapter and look for a red light on the power adapter and a green light on the phone mount antenna. Take one of the metal discs in the package and either adhere the circular one to the back of your phone or place the rectangular one inside your phone case. This will keep your phone securely attached to the inside antenna for a safe, secure, and hands-free hold.